got a few of them running. Superior Gas Engineering Company out of Springfield, Ohio. Side shaft. I'm trying to start one here. Got this guy running. There's the tag on top, but I'm not going to lean in there. Oh, I got to grab my glasses. Maybe I can read this tag. Okay, Fuller & Johnson. Yeah, I've seen the smaller Fuller & Johnsons, but they didn't have the fly ball governor. Another side shaft. I was looking over my shoulder. I guess nothing else in here is running, but I'll walk down the line a little bit. Can't see the tag. It almost looks like an Eclipse, but it's too big. There's out of Saginaw, Michigan. Trying to make out that tag on there. Maybe I can see it like this. Emerson Brannington. Okay, that's a Canadian farm. Yeah, that's a Canadian there. And then I got to shrink it back down. None of these are running. Some of these I don't think they will run. Got the little guy working on that one. Anyhow. That's enough, I guess. Look at that though. They used the same radiator like they would have used in a house for cooling. That still would have been thermotype, and there's no water pump on it. Gas and kerosene tanks. This is a pretty one. What do we got here? The Ohio Gas and Gasoline Motor Company. Not sure what this is, but they got a battery hooked to it, so they're going to start it eventually. Got the oil can ready. Anyhow, well, thank you.